Hey, this is Jim with Keller Williams coming at you. Just sold another property at 2038 Coatman Boulevard. We're with the inspector now. We're going to be checking it out. So it's very important to get an inspection done when you're buying a property. You just never know, what you might find. Just want to be safe about it, and if there's any hidden surprises, it's important to find out about them before you take possession. So go see what's going on with our inspector.
Some loose electrical stuff.
Okay. A little moisture over here, you said?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Rotted out window.
Both of them are actually rotted out.
Okay. Anything else in here to report, or?
Why don't take a look at the outside?
A couple missing pieces there. Oh, he's gonna check out the roof. What's that?
Looks are a little deceiving. The roof is a little bit older than we thought.
Anything to be concerned about there, or?
So that window's not in great shape, and then the siding's coming in contact with the roof. There should at least be a gap there, or J-channel with visible flashing, and then there's some rotten trim right over here.
Okay.
Rain cap missing from the chimney, and then it looks a lot better from down here.
Yeah.
But we're starting to see some fiberglass up there being exposed and some granular loss as we're walking on it.
Oh, okay.
Should still have a few years left.
Yeah, okay. Door's not supposed to open up over a step.
Some drywall cracking. This is the old, smaller panels. You can actually see the panels.
Yeah.
With a skin coat over top.
Mm-hmm.
This particular window has a broken spring or rope system.
Okay.
That one does open. Does have two cracked panes of glass, or just one cracked pane of glass. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
The other two windows don't open. They're painted shut. And then all of these outlets have tested as ungrounded, which, given the year of build, not too surprised by that. But we're going to recommend Paul swap these 3-prong outlets out for 2-prong outlets.
Mm-hmm.
Now, be good. Don't call it hot.
Anything to report here?
We got some exposed wire splices. That's really about it.
So microwave is not working.
A missing screw and an inappropriate screw. Paul should be pretty well versed in that. There's a few things. I'm gonna just kind of give you the whole summary at the end.
It's coming on now.
Yeah, so we definitely have evidence of water seepage. You can see water staining around and then out of the wood, but definitely would address the gutters being full, downspouts discharging too close to the foundation and the grading. Electrical panel good, just had a missing screw, and one of the screws was inappropriate. It was a wood screw. These would be technically inappropriately supported. We do have some noticeable water staining underneath the bathroom and kitchen area over here.
Is it active, or?
No.
Okay.
Let's see what else. This paper likely contains asbestos, so we don't want to disrupt this. Leave that. The furnace is older. It's super clean, which is nice. The housing for the filter is rusted out.
Oh, okay.
And we do have horizontal cracking along say this is the south wall off the top of my head. So we really need to get the grading out here better. It's actually the back wall, so not the south.
It's the east.
So we got some horizontal cracking, and then we also have some vertical cracking, so we really need to try to get the water away from the foundation. I think that pretty much summarizes down here. Have some cast iron with a little PVC, and they don't have a proper coupler on it. They just have like putty holding it in place.
Oh, okay.
It's quite deteriorated on the far side.
Gotcha. Well, that finishes up our inspection for today, and we'll put out the report to our home buyer and let him know about the results. Bye for now.